Okay, we have a really fun new announcement. We have created our very first DashTrack specific GPT. So as long as you have a ChatGPT account, you can use this. If not, simply send us the file and we can take care of it for you. But what we're going to do is we're going to see how we can pass in any type of Excel or CSV file so that it can be uploaded into the DashTrack contact list. So I'm going to show you right in the GPT exactly what you can do, and you should have this link right here. And so all that you have to do is first select the attachment button there, and then select the type of file that you want to upload. So in this case, I'm going to do the Studio 54 number 2. And then here, I am simply going to say generate mapped file from attached CSV to match template. It has this little preloaded one. A few times when I clicked it, for some reason, it didn't seem to know about the file, even though I clicked it after the file was uploaded. So I just typed this little thing in, and that is all that you should have to do. And just hit send, and so it's going to go through the process. I really like how this one turned out because it doesn't simply, return a file to upload. It actually goes through the entire process and then it explains exactly what it is planning on doing so that there's not a surprise. So in other words, if you have a file that's going to be empty or something like that, then it's going to actually tell you about it. So it goes through the list. You don't have to read the code or know anything about it. This is simply going through it. We're keeping it up here just in case there are any issues with this. You can literally click this little copy link button here, send it to the support team, and then we can because it has all this data here, we can use that to perform debugging. So it has finished. It says, would you like to proceed with saving this map data to a new CSV file? And so I just type in proceed. And now it will go through that entire process. It will generate the file, generate a download link. There we go. Just click download file. And that should give us exactly what we need. Let's see. I'm not going to open it up on this video just for security and privacy reasons. But I should say I'm not going to open up so anyone can see the contents, but I have it open even though you can't see it. You just have to trust me. It is all accurate. We have all of the data there and everything looks perfect. It looks like it's mapped exactly to the file. So I am going to just rename it just so I can kind of have a sense of organization here. And now I'm going to open up DashTrack. And this is in the contacts list. You can see we already have right here a list that I had done the first test file that worked. And so all I have to do is click upload contacts, and then I can click here or just drag and drop it. This is what I renamed the file to, and hit done. And that will upload. If there are any issues, then it will email you and it'll tell you, it'll let you know if everything worked, or it'll say if it didn't work, anything like that. Like I said, if you have any issues with it where the file didn't work, and that just means we probably need to refine the GPT a little bit, then please send a link. If I if I have it open here, yep, send this link come in the top right hand side that will let you copy it. And then if we have that, that'll give us the ability to go through all of the code, see what might be need to be fixed, and then adjust it so that we can just continually perfect the system. So let's see, that was at 271. There we go. It's already uploading. So all that's working perfectly. This really excited about this one because we've spent literally 7 years in manually doing this. So now we have a full AI version that lets you simply upload the file and then it will give you exactly what you need. Once again, all you have to do is click upload contacts. And that is all that you have to do. I'm going to also be adding a little link here, just pointing it straight to the GPT so that you won't have to store that anywhere. But I will do that later today. So have fun with that. Let me know if you have any issues whatsoever.